Welcome back to the Car Xplorer. Today, we're taking you into the future of French automotive design with the stunning 2026 Peugeot 504, a name that echoes the past but drives boldly into tomorrow. Peugeot has revived its legendary 504 in a completely new avatar, blending classic charm with ultra-modern innovation, and the result is nothing short of breathtaking. This car isn't just a revival. It's a statement of how Peugeot envisions the future of luxury, performance, and sustainability. From the first glance, the 2026 Peugeot 504 demands attention. Its exterior design perfectly balances heritage and futurism. You can still sense the iconic silhouette of the original 504, but it's been transformed with sleek aerodynamics, razor-sharp LED matrix headlights, and a continuous light bar that runs across the rear, giving it a distinctive nighttime signature. The floating roofline, hidden door handles, and 21-inch aero wheels add a sculpted sophistication that feels both athletic and elegant. The new 504's grille has been completely reimagined. It's illuminated with Peugeot's new lion emblem that glows subtly when you approach, giving a futuristic welcome every single time. Every curve has been designed with precision to reduce drag, enhance efficiency, and make this car stand out on any road. Step inside, and you immediately enter what feels like a luxurious spaceship. The interior of the 2026 Peugeot 504 is a masterpiece of craftsmanship and technology. Peugeot's latest iCockpit 3.0 takes center stage with a fully digital 3D display that adjusts to your eye level. The dashboard is wrapped in sustainable vegan leather and recycled wood accents, giving a warm yet futuristic vibe. The ambient lighting changes with your driving mode: calm blue for comfort, red for sport, and green for eco mode. The steering wheel is compact yet tactile, providing perfect control and visibility of the futuristic instrument cluster. The 12.9-inch central touchscreen seamlessly integrates with Peugeot's new AI-driven infotainment system that learns your habits and preferences, adjusting climate, music, and navigation automatically over time. The seats in the new 504 redefine comfort. Each one is electronically adjustable with built-in cooling, heating, and even a massage function for long drives. There's generous legroom in both front and rear, and a panoramic smart glass roof that adjusts its tint depending on sunlight. The rear passengers also get their own touchscreen controls and USB-C ports for complete convenience. The attention to detail is remarkable. Even the air vents are frameless and hidden within the design lines, creating a clean, minimalist atmosphere. Now let's talk about performance. And this is where Peugeot truly surprises. The 2026 504 comes with a dual-motor all-electric powertrain producing 480 horsepower, offering instant acceleration and a 0 to 100 km/h time of just 4.2 seconds. It's built on Peugeot's new eMotion platform, providing a perfect balance of performance and efficiency. The driving dynamics are enhanced by adaptive suspension, torque vectoring, and 4 driving modes: Eco, Comfort, Sport, and Dynamic. With an estimated range of around 600 kilometers on a single charge and ultra-fast 800-volt charging that powers it from 10 to 80% in just 20 minutes, this car is built for both city drives and long adventures. Peugeot hasn't forgotten about safety either. The 2026 504 features Level 3 semi-autonomous driving with advanced lane assist, adaptive cruise, AI-based traffic recognition, and a 360-degree camera system that even detects pedestrians and cyclists before you do. It's intelligent, confident, and responsive in every condition.
Thanks for watching Car Xplorer, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next in-depth car review.